Drop it.
Today, guys, is your lucky day. I'm about to give you some insane content, and I just want you guys to reply with a thank you and just let me know how much this helped you, because I'm about to give you the game, right? Everybody wants to make this kind of money right here, guys. That's why I got this picture up here. Everybody wants this kind of bread. They want to take care of their family. One would be able to do that, guys. And they want to do it online so that way they can spend more time with their kids and do all that kind of stuff, right? But how can you get this? And why are people not really telling you everything? The reason why they're not telling you everything, guys, is as simple as this. They want to continue to make money off of you. But me, I want to help you make money, guys. And I've been making money the same way they've been making money. But I just want to tell you that I'm not going to charge you a course or anything. Guys, I'm going to give it to you right now. So what is it and what's the secret, guys? The secret is affiliate marketing, guys. But the rabbit hole gets even deeper. And I'm going to tell you and break this down to you so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Check this out. This is a website called, I think it's called viglink.com, right? This website's free to sign up, guys. When you hear affiliate marketing, a lot of the stuff is very free to sign up. You sign up to this, you become an affiliate. Now, you see all these companies that you already know. eBay, Nike, Amazon, AliExpress, all this. And it goes all the way down, guys. Millions and millions of companies, guys, that you can promote for free. But you can promote them all from this website, and I'm going to show you how. So let's say I clicked on Nike, for instance. Let's click on this here. Bingo. You would just simply take this link, copy it, go here on the website, click anywhere. That's how simple it is to promote this entire company. Boom, you paste it here, you click shorten, and you build. As soon as you build, they give you this link, and now you work for Nike, guys. You work for Nike that fast. So when somebody asks what you do for a living, I work for Nike. Bingo, takes you straight to the Nike website. Your link and your name is tied into this domain name. Since that's the link you use, anything they buy from this website, this is the official website, guys. Anything they buy from this website, you get paid for. Insane, right? Anything they buy. Now, how would you promote this? I would definitely promote this. Facebook ad, Google ad, something like that, simply because this is a reputable company and this is a company that everybody already knows, right? So they're not going to look at it as something like, oh, what is this? It's Nike, so people know. Now, the real question is, how much traffic do they get a month? 79 million visitors per month to Nike.com website, guys. 79 million. So just imagine the type of traffic that you guys can get, guys. But this rabbit hole gets even deeper. So we know, Amazon has an affiliate program, as you saw on this site, as you can see. Let me show you, just in case you didn't see it. Amazon has one. Look, bingo, Amazon's there. You can do that with all of those. Then there's a website called CJ.com that has more and more companies that you can work for free, guys. So I signed up to Credit Secrets, right? Because they do have some really good information in here. But one thing that got me when they the first step in the training, check this out. Click here to get your updated report. Bingo. Watch this. They're an affiliate, guys. You sign up to this, you get your 3 scores. These are reputable companies. They're all legit companies. So I don't want you guys to think these companies are not legit. It's just hilarious how much money these people make off of this stuff, because I do the same thing. But check this out. You sign up here, you click your scores, you go through or whatever. You end up, paying. You do your 7-day free trial. If you love it, you keep it. And then whatever you pay, they're going to make that commission every single month. And that's one thing, guys. But then let's go back here. Then the next step is, look, hey, how to make money helping others fix their credit as well. You click this, and guess what? They want you to buy again. You come in here, you select whatever date, they take you on a webinar, and they upsell you on some more stuff. That stuff is hilarious, guys. But then you come here, there's another software. Then they got all these other trainings and bonuses where they can refer other things that you guys can try. And it's all legit stuff. I don't want you guys to think it's a scam or anything. It's all legit stuff. It's just, this is how the stuff works. And a lot of you had no clue that you can make so much money doing certain things. You want collections removed and all that stuff? I don't know how to do this stuff personally, guys. Well, I'm learning. That's why I got the Credit Secrets. But I don't know how to do it yet, right? But other people do. So when they click here, guess what website they go to? CreditRxAmerica.com, guys. As you can see right here, affiliate. But what I actually did to make sure this company was legit so that people are not paying for some BS, I actually did my research on this. This company's been around for over 10 years. They've helped a lot of people. I actually talked to the CEO. One of the best things that I like about this company, to be honest, is they have no setup fees, no upfront fees, no monthly fees, and no hidden fees. So basically, whatever client that you refer here, they don't have to pay anything until they get something deleted, and then they pay, right? So that's really good. And then check this out. It'll tell you whenever you click on their affiliate, it'll tell you how much how much their people are potentially making, guys. This stuff is nuts. And we'll get to the bottom of this because I got so much more to show you guys. Let me see if I can find it because it's somewhere in here. Oh, here it is. Bingo. Right. So, however, in the most experienced, the clients, they're spending between $1,600 and $2,400 in credit repair. That means you'll be making approximately $240 to $360 per client, guys. 15% commissions is what you receive. Amazing, guys. But it gets even deeper than that. When you're doing credit repair, some of you may not have no clue what I'm talking about, but trade lines. A lot of you know about trade lines because you follow certain people that talk about credit and trade lines. But peep this. You can become an affiliate of a trade line company, and then you can sell trade lines without even, being a part of the actual company, without it not you even doing it yourself. So let me show you. So check this out. This is a trade line company, right? They send you this once you become an affiliate. They give you all the credit cards that they have on file, which is a ton of them. As you can see, all of these credit cards. And then they give you the limit, the credit card limits, right? So this credit card has 10,000, this credit card has 20,000. These are other people's credit cards, guys. And what basically what this is these are authorized users. So basically you would pay someone, right? The person who's a client, they would pay, let's say they pay you to have one of these cards report on their credit report. And this is all completely legal, guys. It's called being an authorized user or piggybacking. You can look it up. But they other people who have big and high limits, they pay these they put their credit cards on these company sites so that people can pay and they can make money. And so whenever you get higher credit limits, that's another income stream for you. Just to throw that out there, guys. You can have other people pay you to put your credit history on their credit report and to boost their scores. And it does boost a whole lot, just to throw that out there. But check this out. So they'll end up paying you $750 to get this $20,000 card to promote, right? You would end up cutting this check in half and sending whatever trade line company their percentage, and you keep the rest, guys. That's how this works. And so initially on your website, you can have a credit repair section, you can have a make money online section, you can have a business section, you can have a consulting section, you can have all these different sections on your website, and you only promote one link. Like my link is thewealthyempire.net. When they go there, I don't even answer people's questions all the way. When someone asks me about how to make money or what do I need to do or what is it, I just say, hey, just go to my website, check out the information. They go see all that stuff, and I end up making commissions on a daily basis, guys. This is how people are making six figures. This is how I make six figures. This is how you do it. And I hope you guys are getting this valuable content right now. Okay, so it gets even deeper, guys. It gets even deeper than this. But let me go to ShareASale is another website that has a bunch of different marketing things. This one here. Okay, so this is a high-paying affiliate. High-paying affiliate programs.com, right? And so let me go back to page 1 so I can show you guys, right? This company here has a bunch of different affiliate programs, and they have different categories. So web hosting, we know, like GetResponse and ClickFunnels and all that stuff. You could just sign up. They have, let's say I click on this one, right? They have all these different programs that you can join for free. They tell you how many commissions you can get. All of these different ones, right? All kinds of stuff, right? And then they just have all these different categories. Software affiliate programs. So if you're in the softwares and all that, you can just become an affiliate for free, guys. All this stuff is free. If mentorship programs, you click on these, they'll tell you which ones. They'll tell you sign up here, how much you're gonna make, all of that. 30% of $2.99 per, or $2.99 per referral, guys. Whenever you refer somebody. So it's just all kinds of different stuff, guys, that you can do. So let's go deeper. Oh, and this was another thing I did too, guys. As far as the credit stuff, what I did was I typed in, credit affiliate programs, and when I scrolled down, I found some reputable ones. So if you scroll down, they'll show you at least 9 reputable ones, and this is the one that popped up. And they have a great, reputation and all that. And then they have a lot more credit people and all these kind of things. And what I did was, like I said, I also wrote the guy. He was actually telling me, how the process works and all that. And they've been around for about 10 years or whatever, right? So I don't know if I covered that, but I almost forgot. So, guys, would you believe me if I told you guys that your favorite CPA companies are nothing but referral programs? So check this out. Let's say I click on this offer here on CPA Grip, Walmart. Check this out though. You're getting paid $1.73. Remember that, okay? If I click this and I go here, I want you guys to see something. If I come here and click program requirements, tier 1, in order for them to get whatever they're going to get, they have to complete 4 offers. What do you think these 4 offers are? These 4 offers are affiliate programs. Tier 2, they must complete 10 offers, guys. So when you're wondering, when someone asks me why do they have to go through all of this stuff for you to get your commission, is because they have to get paid 10 times as much as you do, right? Now, you can either be person on the back end or the front end. Completely up to you. So let's say, they go through here, I click no. You want a $100 Walmart gift card, right? So let's say I click on continue, right? They take you through all of this. You guys are familiar with this, right? Continue, right? Female, whatever, made up stuff. So check this out. On the back end of this, guys, these guys are making hundreds and thousands of dollars, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So by this time, you made your $1.73, right? On this back end, they're going to size you up, and they're going to make more money off of your customers. So you're driving all of this traffic to make $1.73. You're making $1.73. They're making about $400 or $500, guys. Watch this. Do you like dogs? This is where they size you up to find out what kind of offers they're going to give you. So you just come in here, people are putting all kinds of nonsense. That's why they really don't care. They just like whatever, right? Get your free credit score. Credit Sesame, guys. Credit Sesame is another affiliate program, just to let you know. You can start now. If you start now, can I open this in a different window? Affiliate ID, AFF. You saw that, guys. Look, affiliate. You sign up to Credit Sesame, they're getting paid, right? So let me exit out of that. Then you continue to go. Bingo. Now check this out. You guys have saw this. If you haven't, this is on the back end of that same CPA offer. So they got you on the CPA, the Credit Sesame, right? If you want your $100 gift card, guess what? An action is required. We already have reserved your $100 gift card. You must complete one deal. Every last one of these deals, guys, is an affiliate program. So if you sign up to any one of these, they're going to get paid on the other side. So imagine all the traffic that you're sending. They can be making on the affiliate side over here. They could be making $15 here, $20 here, $40, $30 here, and you're getting paid $1.73 for that lead, and they're getting paid $80, $90, $150, $300, $400 off of that lead. Do you see how this works? You click next, they take you to tier 2, and then they knock it down to tier 1. So two deals, then they're going to say, scratch it out and say 1. You see that? And then guess what? You're going to go back through here, and all these are affiliate links. Every last one of these, guys. You claim deal. Hulu has an affiliate program. Look at this one. This is the one we saw, guys, earlier. Let me find it right here. Bingo. Remember when I showed you on that credit program? Same exact thing, guys. Same exact thing. And here it is. Affiliate program. Next. Continue. And you keep doing it, there is more. There's more, and they're making money, guys. This is how they make their money. Same way, though. Check this out. If I go to AdWork Media, I clicked on I love samples. Peep this, guys. This is how they get you. And like I said, it's not a scam. You know what I mean? They're making money. You're making money, but you're just making a lot less because they didn't tell you how to do this stuff. So you can be the person actually building the websites. This is actually a good one for a CPA offer, right? So you go through, they tell you to get your samples. You go through all this crap. They ask you all these questions, so I just say no to a lot of this crap. So we'll get past all this because all this is just affiliate stuff. They're sizing you up. They're trying to figure out what offers they want to give you while they're going through this. This is what your leads have to go through, right? They have to go through all of this crap. But most of the time you already got paid before then, but now they're going through all of this because they think they have to. And so check this out. Bingo. This is how they get you. This is the part that's really dope, to be honest. if you guys take this example, you can use this as your CPA offer. For those people who do CPA marketing, you can use this kind of concept, the survey one I already talked about, but you can use it to this extent. Now check this out. It says, what if I win loot $16,000 a month for a life sweepstakes? The first thing I would do is quit my job, pay off my house, take a long vacation, or throw a massive party. Check this out though. Anyone you click on, this is going to pop up as a CPA offer. Watch this. CPA offer. Join to enter to win the win loot. You notice how they have win loot right here. So they're already getting you mentally prepared, subconsciously prepared to, if I won, well, let me just enter to see if I can win. So you end up clicking yes, they got paid a CPA commission. Bingo. Next offer. They want to skip that one. They don't want to go. Let's say they went through that or they didn't want to. This toenail fungus. They click that, they're going to get paid again. Let's say they skip that. They're like, oh, I don't want that. They want to just skip this. Let's say they could just keep skipping stuff. It's going to keep popping up more and more. Look, if I click yes, windows open. Affiliate programs, guys. Whatever you buy or click on this page, either it's Google AdSense, bingo. You reserve a free trial, they're going to get paid. You're just skipping all this stuff. Let's just say you're skipping everything. Then they got you. You see this? Win a McDonald's gift card. Yes or skip. You click yes, and guess what opens a window for a McDonald's gift card? Hilarious, right? Boom, register now. That's how they get you. Let's say you skip that one. I don't want that. You want more free samples? Nah, you already got that. You want to win $50,000? Heck yeah. Bingo, win $50,000. Click confirm. Another CPA commission. Crazy, right? Let's say you want samples, some more samples. Let's say you say yeah to that. What pops up? More CPA offers. They're getting paid, guys. And they already preload your email in there. So that way it's just a one click. That one's taking too long, but we'll go to the next offer. Signature surveys. Yes. Let's say you want to fill out surveys. Guess what? You fill out this, they got another CPA commission. Guys, do you guys get the point? They're making all of this money. All of this money on the back end of every single offer. So when you're sending your traffic here, they're going through, you're getting paid your dollar, what, 73? You're paid your dollar 73, and on the back end, they made, $300 or $400 per referral that you send. That's why they're able to just pay out $1.73 or whatever. Do you guys see the power in affiliate marketing? So this is the kind of stuff that you guys can do. Like I said, when people have you sign up to these different companies, the first step, they will say, hey, get ClickMagick. Second step, they would say, hey, get Aweber. They're affiliates. It's so many affiliate programs out there, guys. If you actually take a look, you could create your own PDFs, you can create your own websites, and just load those things up with affiliate programs, but make it all make sense. But guys, this is the kind of stuff that nobody wanted to tell you, and that's why you're not making six figures, guys. It's so many ways to make money that if you just, take this information, guys, and you run with it, you can absolutely kill it online, guys. I hope you caught this. I hope this was a blessing to you. I hope you run with it and kill it. And just, man, I hope this video helped, guys. If it did, comment below this video if this was very valuable. And other than that, I wish you guys the best. I will be back with more videos. My number's below. My Instagram's below. Hit me up. And I will see you guys in another one. Peace.